It's your boy Jay Cooley, back with another vlog. You know how it goes, people. Another day, another topic, another vlog. Topic of the day is gonna be what's worse, snoring or drooling. Me personally, I gotta go with drooling. That's so nasty. Basically it comes from right here and it goes right there. I don't understand how it goes all over your face. It be like that big white line, and that junk be so nasty when people wake up. I'm sorry, that's just nasty. I mean, I know because I drool and I think it's nasty. I drool a lot, be all on my pillow, and that's nasty. I drool and I snore, so I got it bad. I got both. It's kind of crazy. Nobody's perfect. Plus, gotta get something from my daddy, you know. Basically, explaining the pros and cons versus snoring and drooling. The only pros or the only thing that I see that's good about snoring and drooling is they're alive. That's the only thing I could say. But the bad things about snoring and drooling is I don't want nobody to think that I have a bear in my house. I don't even want to wake up knowing that thinking that I have a bear in my house. I wake up, all I can hear is that junk is crazy. I don't want to hear that. Another thing with drooling, I don't want to wake up and we sleeping on the pillow and you drool hard and I snore. I don't want to wake up having a pool of drool on this side of my face just because of your snoring. Just because of your drooling. I don't want to have my whole face covered with drool. I'm sorry. Not knowing I've been drooling and you have, oh man, you good off that. That's nasty. Sorry. Women snoring and drooling versus men snoring and drooling. When I picture a woman basically perfect at sleeping. But I know that's not true. So you gotta have one. And a woman snoring is cool with me. I have a woman that snores. And she snores. She just snores. I'm not gonna say nothing about it, but she snores. She know how she snores. And I'm just glad she don't drool. Cause we'll have a problem. Cause I drool and snore. And versus man, you expect the man to do at least one of them, at least snore or drool or do both. You expect that, but a woman, man, you don't. That's the worst thing you want to know about a woman. She drooling, you don't want it on your face, you don't want it nowhere on you. But if she's snoring, you don't want to hear it. You don't want to hear that real deep, loud snore. Another thing, have you ever been on the phone with somebody and you don't want them to wake up and you not know, so you put them on speaker and they sound real loud in your room and your peeps can hear them, and they be like, damn, what's that? Oh, you don't want that. That junk is crazy. But anyway, men, you expect men to do one or the other. And that's the same thing that goes with women. You don't want your man to be snoring or drooling. I understand. You don't want that. Nasty. But that's all for the day, people. But I'm gonna end it off on a good note with a question of the day. Question of the day is gonna be, what's worse? A woman snoring or drooling, or a man snoring or drooling? But you know, that's all I got for you, folks. It's your boy Jay Cooley signing out. Peace.